How to add text in Affinity. Let's get into it. Start by opening up your image in Affinity, then come over to your left toolbar and you will see this text looking icon. If you click and hold down on this, you have two options, the Artistic Text tool or the Frame Text tool. Artistic Text allows you to create standalone text, Frame Text allows you to create text box style text. For this example, I'm going to select the Artistic Text tool. This is then going to change your cursor. If you click and drag anywhere on your canvas, you can see the text start to take shape. The bigger it is, the bigger the text will be. The smaller it is, the smaller the text will be. I'm going to go for something like this and then type in my text. To customize the font of this text, press Command or Control A on your keyboard. Then come up to the toolbar at the top and you will see all the different text options here. Here you can customize the font style, the size. You can add bold, italics, underline, color, etc. I'm going to come in here and change my font. Next, I'm going to click on this text color icon here to change the color of my text. I'm going to go for a white. Once you're happy with the text, you can click back onto your cursor and this will bring you into the transform tools for your text. So you can also increase and decrease it this way, and you then also have the ability to rotate it too. You will also notice in your layers panel, you have a text layer created up here. And if you want to hide or show this, you can turn this off and on like so. You can then also drag this text anywhere around your canvas and position it anywhere that you want to. And that's all there is to it.